Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Friday, September the 5th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local market is set to build on yesterday's gains, with ASX futures up almost 0.6%. Global stocks rose overnight on easing bond yields amid anticipation of further interest rate cuts, which spurred investors. On Wall Street, all major indices finishing strongly, with the S&P 500 posting a closing record high, as US labour market data reinforced investors' views that rates will fall. Broadcom edged higher in after-hours trade following the release of its results after the bell, forecasting fourth quarter revenue above estimates, banking on strong demand for its custom AI chips as enterprise clients invest heavily in data centres and machine learning applications. Other mega-cap tech stocks rose, including Meta and Amazon. JetBlue Airways expects a smaller decline in its third quarter operating revenue. It also said it will partner Amazon subsidiary Project Kuiper, a low Earth orbit satellite broadband internet network, to improve its onboard Wi-Fi. Salesforce shares fell after the company forecast third quarter revenue below estimates on Wednesday, signalling lagging monetization for its AI agent platform. T. Rowe Price climbed after announcing a deal where Goldman Sachs plans to buy up to $3.5 billion of its stock. American Eagle Outfitters shares jumped 38% after the apparel company forecast third quarter comparable sales above estimates. Shares of athletic wear maker Lululemon fell 13% in extended trade after lowering annual sales and profit forecasts. And Atlassian has bought the browser company for $610 million as it moves into AI-powered web browser market. US private payrolls increased a less than expected 54,000 jobs last month amid easing labour market conditions. And the number of Americans filing new applications for unemployment benefits increased more than expected last week. And as the Trump administration urges the Supreme Court to swiftly hear a bid to preserve its sweeping tariffs, which have been ruled illegal, China has imposed further tariffs of its own. It's applying tariffs of up to 78% on certain US optical fibre imports from September 4th, accusing American producers of skirting anti-dumping measures. US Treasury yields have fallen, with the US 2-year and 10-year notes dropping to 4-month lows following the jobs data, the 2-year falling to 3.58%, the 10-year at 4.16%. Markets pricing in a 90% chance the Fed funds rate will be cut by 25 basis points at the next meeting on September 18th. And the US dollar rose, while bond yields fell. The Aussie dollar has tumbled around 0.5% to 65.2 US cents. And Bitcoin has fallen back to around 110,000 US dollars. Oil prices have eased to a 2-week low on an unexpected build in US crude inventories and on expectations that OPEC Plus producers will increase output targets at a meeting this weekend. Brent crude futures down 1% at $67 a barrel. Copper fell 1.5%, iron ore rose 1.5% to 105 US dollars a tonne, and the gold price has slipped as traders took profits following a record-breaking rally. Spot gold down 0.4% at $3,544 an ounce. No data locally today, but among the companies trading ex-dividend are Aussie Broadband, AP Eagers, Coles and Viva Energy. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.